Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So finally a big relief for the IFSCA Grade A aspirants because IFSC has revised its educational qualification criteria. So we know that as a part of the detailed notification that was released very recently by IFSCA, basically they had changed the eligibility criteria, but now they have revised it as a part of this recent circular. So you can see it over here that very specifically they have mentioned that candidates who belong to other discipline from a recognized university, they are also eligible to appear for the examination. But apart from that, they have also deleted this minimum marks requirement that was there. So you can see this was something that was mentioned as a part of the previous notification, but now they have deleted this note, right? And anything that was related to minimum marks requirement, that has been deleted, be it with respect to general category or with respect to SC/ST category, right? So all this minimum requirement has been deleted, and it has been written that the registration link will be modified shortly, incorporating the above mentioned changes. And I would say this is going to be a big relief for the aspirants, because a lot of aspirants were worried about their IFSCA grade A attempts, and now basically they are eligible to appear for this examination. And I hope you are going to give your best, and all the best for your preparation. And in case if you want to know how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation, so you can go to a website which is edutap.in, and over there you can go to this IFSCA grade A courses, right? And under this you can see that we basically provide these types of courses. So first of all, we have this recorded crash course, as a part of which we will provide you summary sheets, current affair magazines, solved PYQs, chapter wise mock tests, sectional tests, current affair mock test, also the full length mock test, right? The validity is 6 months, and this is the final price. And if you talk about the second course, it is regarding the test series, right? So if you want to go through phase 2 test series or phase 1 plus phase 2 test series, you can read the details, and this is the final price that is over there. And for rest of the details regarding different courses regarding to IFSCA grade A, you can go to a website and you can make your decision. And in case if you want to see that whether this course suits your preparation style or not, so in order to do so, we are providing this 15-day starter pack also, which is completely free of cost, that will give you a good idea that how the complete or full course looks like. So I hope it is going to be helpful for you, and if you have any questions, queries or doubts, please do not hesitate to write it in the comment box. So thank you so much, and all the best for your preparation.